Morning, everybody. Today we are going on a little adventure. I'm with a couple of buddies right now. They're a bit ahead of me on the trail. Nate, Noah, and Leo. Right now we're walking down a trail to the beach. Plan for today is walk down the beach. If we see something on the beach, we're gonna cast poppers. But idea is make it to these rocks that are about 30-minute walk down the beach. And we're going to be casting jigs, poppers, and maybe some big poppers too for a cubera or a big rooster. So we'll see how it goes. But right now, just going to walk to the beach. Oh, we got log. And yeah, see what it looks like. Hopefully it's not windy. Walking through a bunch of trees with spines right now. Be careful. You step on one of these or bump into them. It's not fun. Made it to the beach. Oh, almost to the beach. We made it. Conditions look pretty good, so let's check it out. Made it to the beach. It's a beautiful morning. See behind me, beautiful sunrise. Got some decent waves over there too. Tide was lower, the surfing would be pretty good, but got my setup here. Walking down the beach right now. Just scoping it out, seeing if there's anything jumping. If I see anything jump, I'll make a few casts with I got a little like 25-gram jig. I'll toss it out there. And then about maybe a kilometer down there, not sure if you can see, some rocks that we'll be fishing off of. So overall, beautiful morning. Couldn't ask for much more than that. So yeah, ready to get the line in the water and hopefully catch some fish today. It's gonna be a good day. My setup for the day is I got a 6,000 bait runner just in case I get a live bait. And then I also have a 4,000 just to be able to cast a smaller jig. And yeah, also be casting a bigger popper on that bait runner. But I'm gonna do, excuse me. We're about to get to the river mouth. You can see there's a river right there. So get to the river mouth and cast a few jigs out. I also want to give a big shout out to GoPro for sending me this Hero 11 Black. It's actually the camera I'm using right now to film this, so thank you guys so much, much appreciated. I'm super excited to be filming on this camera, and yeah, oh, barrel. Super stoked to be able to take everybody on my adventures, and yeah, hopefully today we can get some fish. So looking forward to it, and still walking, but we're almost there. The jig I'll be using for now, 22-gram jig. So oh, look at that one. Oh, what I'm doing is casting out, letting it sink, and then jigging it up relatively fast. Oh, I'm on. First cast, baby. Yo, Leo! Leo! running. Coming towards me. Feels pretty big. Oh, first cast. Let's go, baby. Look at decent fish too. I don't know what it is. Yeah. I think it's either a jack or a rooster. Maybe not. I think it's a jack. Bring it up with the wave. Oh, it's a strong fish. Not letting me bring him up easy. Still running. Look at that. Wow. I can't be too tight on it because I think I only got like 20-pound test on this. On this reel. Alright, I'm gonna try to get him up. I gotta be careful because I didn't put my other reel too high. I didn't expect to be going this far. This wave is kind of going pretty close to it. Oh, don't go up there. Oh, freaking dog fight. Ah, come on, buddy. There he is, right there. One more wave. I can get him right here. Don't pull, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. There he is. I think it's a big old jack. Look at that. Big old jack. Phew. All right, there we go. Beautiful jack crevalle to start the day off. He's probably about 10, 12 pounds maybe. Nice looking fish. Gonna go let him go and keep on casting. The day just started. Just got to kind of where the rocks are at. Hook something up. Oh, I gotta get this rod off my back. Oh, don't take me to the rocks, bud. Look, oh, the rocks. Oh, he's big. He's got some size though. Rod off my back. Ah! Lost him right there. Ah! That's annoying. Had him right around the waves. He came off. Walking up to the rocks now. Gotta be careful. I left my sandals back at the end of the beach because I didn't want to carry them, but some of these rocks are pretty sharp. You gotta be careful walking on them. Any bites? No. Nothing? They got a bite. Right here? Yeah. Why'd you lose it? Oh, these rocks are gnarly.
Bro, it's so high tide.
Is it hard to fish?
Yeah. A little bit. Can't even like stand at all.
Alright, I got a couple things right now. So, hat and sunglasses. Because it's getting hot out. My Costa glasses, thank you Costa. How sick are the tide pools?
There's one that's like a full, that one right there. That one's sick.
The one we put the fish in last time is over there. Definitely should have brought shoes. Probably a mistake. Oh, flip flops would have come in handy right now. Oh, how's this one? This is the one we're putting the fish in. Thing is so sick. Ah. See the waves coming in. Run back when they do, or else I get smoked. Oh, something chased me there. I gotta run. I can't be here. Oh. Yeah, fuck that. I can't even see where I'm going. Oh. Interesting. Wow. Very interesting. Oh, no way. That's a snapper grab that. What? That's why it's so hard to reel in. Look at that. If I'm not mistaken, unless that was the rock, but I'm pretty sure a snapper grabbed that. Crazy. Monster. Alright, well, just taking a little break right now. Not too much off of the rocks. I had like a few needlefish bites with the jig, and I hooked a hawkfish, like a 7-8 inch hawkfish, and I was bringing it in, and then I kind of like raced like under the rocks, like under the ledge, and then I had to run down towards where it was at so it wouldn't get super tangled, and it just felt like it was pulling a lot heavier when I got to it, and I was like trying to get it out because I thought it was like all wrapped up, and when I pulled it out it was all scratched up, and I'm pretty sure a cubera came and ate it on the way in as I was reeling it in. So, but other than that, it's a little bit slow. It's dead high tide right now, so it might slow down. Not sure what we're gonna do. Probably gonna hang out here for a bit. Probably at least try to fish for another hour and a half. And if not, I'd say probably go back down the beach towards where I caught the jack and do some fishing there. But I only made like 8 casts when I went over there, so I think it's gonna be decent. It's dead high tide right now, so it might be a little slow for the next 30 minutes, but I'm gonna go back and either cast the popper or the jig. I have to retie my jig back on because got it stuck in the rock at the end there. Very snaggy. It's like you gotta let it sink to the bottom, because that's how I've had the most luck, is like dropping it to the bottom and jigging it up. But at the same time, like, you gotta be so quick with it, because if you leave it there for more than like 2 seconds on the bottom, it gets snagged. So you gotta really pay attention to what you're doing. So you gotta re-rig, because I lost mine. All right, well, didn't get much on the rocks. Feet are hurting a lot. We're deciding to start working our way down back towards where we parked our bikes. But we're just gonna fish the beach on the way there, and I think we have a good chance of hooking into something. So let's just start working our way back and see what we can do. Come on. Sorry, camera. We're on. Yeah, baby. Fish on. See what it is. Feels pretty good. There's actually a lot of bait right there too. Oh, it's a rooster. Yeah. Get him up. Oh. It's a rooster. Come on, buddy. There we go. Look at that, guys. Got me with a hook. Very careful. Got it. All right. Beautiful, beautiful rooster fish. We're gonna get this guy back into the water. Thank you for the fight, guy. Beautiful, beautiful fish. We're gonna let him go. There you go, buddy. Phew. There he goes. Perfect. Oh, fuck. Oh, the rooster. Darn. Alright guys, well, I got a little bit of condensation in my lens. Hopefully that wasn't there for too long. I'm gonna start working my way back to the bike. Pretty slow day, but overall it was fun. I ended up getting a jack right off the bat, first cast. Got a hawkfish off the rocks, a couple needlefish bites. I might have had a couple more bites on the rocks. And on the way back, I got the roosterfish. And then just at the end there, I had 2 roosters chase my popper. So overall, good day. Stoked on the jack and the rooster. Always fun to come out here and just make some casts in the early morning. So I'm gonna start working my way back, and yeah. Ow. Walking through these bushes again with the big spines. Not fun. Got one in my arm already. All right, everybody, we're gonna call that a wrap for today. Thank you guys for watching. Just want to say I'm still new to this. I'm still learning. Love some tips if you guys have them. If you guys also have any ideas, something you guys would like to see me do, please comment that in the section below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys on the next adventure.